In this training byte, we will create a transformer using two inductors and the K_linear part in OrCAD Capture, and simulate the circuit with PSpice. We'll start by creating a new project in our course training directory called Transformer1. When using transformers in Spice, you need to be able to describe the self-inductance of each winding, the primary and secondary, and the mutual inductance between them, the coefficient of coupling K. We will be creating a circuit that includes a linear transformer. Each inductor has a self-inductance of 25 millihenries, and the mutual inductance between the inductors is 20 millihenries. The value of the coefficient of coupling, K, is the mutual inductance divided by the square root of the product of the two individual self-inductances. Or 0.8 for our circuit. For this circuit, we want to determine the current through the primary winding, and the current through the secondary winding at 1 kHz, and we want our results to show the real and the imaginary components of those currents. We'll start by drawing our circuit. We'll add our 3 resistors from our analog library, as well as our capacitor. We'll set the values of our resistors and capacitor to match our circuit. We will also change the reference designators to RL and CL, respectively, for the load resistor and capacitor connected to the secondary winding. Our source will be an AC sine wave, so we'll add a VAC component from the source library and set the AC voltage to 20 volts. Our transformer is created from 2 inductors, so we add 2 L parts from the analog library and change their value to 25 microhenries. For the inductors, the polarity of the current is determined by the order of the nodes in the inductors. The initial current is assumed to flow from the first node in the node list toward the second node in the node list. This is always from pin 1 toward pin 2 of the inductor. We'll add our ground and then wire our components together. To couple our inductors together and make them a linear transformer, we need to add a K_linear part from the analog library. We'll select our K_linear component, and give the L1 property a value of L1, the reference designator of our primary inductor, and give the L2 property a value L2, the reference designator of our secondary inductor. The coupling property, or K, is the 0.8 coupling coefficient that we calculated earlier. We want our current values at a specific frequency, 1 kHz, that we will set up in our simulation profile, so we'll create a new simulation profile named Transformer1, set an AC sweep simulation with a start frequency and end frequency of 1 kHz, with a total of 1 point. We want to know the real and imaginary components of the current through the windings, so if we had a text netlist we could use the .print command to output the desired results into our output file. Since we are using a schematic, we can add the iprint part from the special library. We'll add one in series with our primary inductor and one in series with our secondary inductor. We'll change their reference designators to I1 and I2, respectively. Then we can select the first iprint part, I1, and change the AC property, the real property, and the IMAG property to yes, so the frequency, the real component, and the imaginary component of the current through I1, will be output to the log file. Since I1 is in series with our primary inductor, this will also be the current through our primary inductor. We'll also change the AC, IMAG, and real properties to true for the I2 iprint part, which will give us the real and the imaginary components of the current through our secondary inductor. Finally, we run our simulation, and when the simulation finishes, the probe window is displayed. To find the information printed by the iprint parts, we select View, Output File, from the PSpice text menu, and scroll down. Here we will find the frequency, real component of the current, and imaginary component of the current through our I1 iprint component, or our primary winding, and the frequency, real component of the current, and imaginary component of the current through our I2 iprint component, or our secondary winding. In this training byte, we created a transformer using 2 inductors and the K_linear part in OrCAD Capture, and simulated the circuit with PSpice using the K_linear part, to print the real and imaginary components of the current through the windings at 1 kHz.